Bad bosses aside, I'm a big believer that most managers, whenever they give constructive feedback to you, it's coming from a place of care. And I'm saying this because a lot of us tend to become defensive. We feel being attacked every time someone calls us out for our mistakes. But I want to remind you, when your manager calls you out, despite their busy schedule, and yet they choose to spend 30 minutes to coach you and to tell you what to do, I think it's coming from a place of care. I think a lot of managers tend to say this because they see something in you. They tend to remind themselves of what mistakes they've done in the past and that they want you to avoid those same mistakes. So please, at times, I want you to consider when someone gives you feedback, feedback is a gift. And feedback is coming from a place of trust and care.